Welcome to 25020 Kiwa Lane. This is a fantastic house on 4.5 acres, 1,800 square feet, reverse living with great mountain views. Let's go inside and have a look. As soon as you enter this home, you come up the stairs to the second floor that feels so light and bright and airy. It has plenty of skylights, nice granite countertops, as well as this cool shiplap backsplash, white cabinetry, and it feels really like the heart of the home. The great room is really nicely connected to the kitchen up here on the main level. It also has great views to the west that overlook the Cascade Mountains and plenty of access to the deck, which wraps around 3/4 of the home. Here in the primary bedroom, you have lots of natural light, as well as this great newly remodeled bathroom with a nice walk-in shower. Across from the primary bedroom, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms up here on the second floor, as well as a full bath and plenty of storage. The downstairs of this home has this great bonus space, which is perfect for hanging out and lounging. It also has access to the back deck, as well as a full bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry room. And you go straight through here to the garage. This is a fantastic home that's set on 4.5 acres, complete with a zip line, a trampoline, a chicken coop, a fenced garden, and so much more. It's one you really have to come experience yourself. Come on out and have a look.